Okay, Tom, my little saw started in that corner today, and I got all the way down, and I used a rake to push it back, and I pulled on that tree to cut it. I don't know if that's all right, but we actually have a wire fence behind that fence. We didn't use up all of our space. Anyway, it's full of that ivy and those berries that got thorns. So I still got to complete all this. But what do you think? My little chainsaw I got, it did pretty darn good, huh? I'll show you the other side tomorrow. I'm going to lift my phone up over this so you can see how bad this is over here. This is the back property behind my house. You see that fence right there, that chain link or chicken wire? That's actually our property still. Isn't that a hot mess? Okay, I just wanted to tell you thank you because that little saw works good.
Reviewing the Seesii 6-inch cordless chainsaw I bought off of Amazon. The price is $49.95. We'll see how it does. We've got a little bit bigger one here. Definitely need a better table. I mean, it's going through this pretty easy. Okay, everybody, you see how it worked. I like it. I think it's worth the money. I'm going to give it a 5-star review. Once again, a good buy off of Amazon. Thank you, Amazon.
I got this little saw to take out some trees. It was like 50 bucks on Amazon. Yeah, it's Chinese special, but it actually works freaking pretty good. I've been, well, as you can see, I got tired of carrying around my big chainsaw, so I bought this little thing to limb out the trees before I get the big chainsaw and cut it down. All that area over there was filled, and I got it cut down. There's a pile down there somewhere. But here you go. It actually works really good. It's literally a 6-inch saw. And I've been using this thing for almost an hour. I'm on the same battery. Just FYI for my outdoorsy tree cutting fools. All right, bye.
Ordered this handheld electric saw, and I've been using it ever since I got it out the box. just recently cut this down with the little saw. And you see how thick it is at the trunk. You may have to move it around in different spots for it to cut thicker branches, but it's definitely gonna cut it. Best investment I've ever bought, due to I don't know how to crank a chainsaw, and I'm a woman, so this works.
So this here is everything you get in this handy package. Couple batteries with the charger. Got the saw itself. Got the gloves, the glasses, and the little tool kit that it comes with. Spare chain, a couple little files so you can sharpen your blade. Looks like a Phillips or a flat screwdriver, a little paintbrush to get any bits and pieces out. There you go. Great little product. Nice little packaging, lots in it.
Oh well.
Ching. It doesn't automatically turn off. Undo it like a battery. Now it turns off.